Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I will be talking with you about Microsoft Teams. And I will speak about my own experience using Microsoft Teams as a student for last 3 months. As we know, due to Corona, we cannot go to our university or school. We basically were using Microsoft Teams to attend lectures, to discuss anything for assignment, and for other activities. So let's start Microsoft Teams. So I will write team and here we go. Now as we start Microsoft Teams, we can see here all our documents that are in Microsoft OneDrive are being synced here as well. So I can see my documents. Here are the activities that I have to do. Here is the chat section where I can chat with my colleague and with my professors. Then comes the team part. Here we can see we can join or create team. And here I can see that my professor have already created a team and have added all the students. Also, he have shared some files, and here we can see the class notebook and assignment and grades. So this is quite useful if you are a student and a professor as well. So you can deliver a lecture, you can share a particular file with your students, you can you can give grades to them, you can even take a test here. So this video is kind of overview of Microsoft Teams and what actually you can do with it. And here you can see I can choose the class and then can check for the assignment that my professor have given to me. In the same way, you can use your calendar to add some important event and reminder. In call section, you can make a group call and you can call to anyone in your network. And the last option was file, and we have already seen how every file of my OneDrive account has been synced here. And here we can go for another app. The prerequisite of all these things, your school should have Microsoft account, and then they can use that common domain to access all these things. Also, here we have got option to add other cloud storage, for example Google Drive or Dropbox. Now we can also add furthermore application to enhance the capability, for example Trello, to work in a team or to work in a collaboration. Similarly, we can see many more other applications which we can add here. You can even add bots which will remind you or will perform some kind of particular task. Even you can see here the Jira, which is one of the famous software. So here we can see a ton of extensions that you can use with Microsoft Teams, which is quite nice. So overall, we can see this as a complete package. You can even define your status as well. For example, you are attending classes. At that moment, you can actually set your status to do not disturb so that you can attend classes without any problem. You have themes as well, so you can choose which themes you like. If you like the default one is light theme. You can select the dark as well. So based on your preferences, you can select. Now let's talk about the chat. So in chat, it is quite similar to Skype. You have all the features. For example, you can make a video call, you can make an audio call, and you can even show or share your screen. So as of now, none of my friend is active, else I would have shown you how you can, but believe me, it is very similar to Skype. While during group chat, the person who speaks generally comes in front, which is quite similar to Zoom application. My personal experience with Microsoft Teams was very positive and I use this application very actively. In the end, the last amazing thing that I want to tell you, while attending lectures, you can even record the lectures that your professor is delivering to you so that you can watch that lecture later on again and again. So in this way, I would say this particular feature is even better than attending the class in classroom, because you have a recorded session which you can see again and again. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed the overview of Microsoft theme. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.